Oh yeah, I can't forget. My name's Lupe. Welcome back to the channel. Everyone calls me Lupe Fiasco. Ever since Kick Push Coast came out, my name's been Lupe forever. My whole name is Guadalupe, but people for some reason can't say Lupe like that. They can't. They say Loopy, Looper, Guacamole, Guad, whatever. Lupe. I mean, that's it. So, hi. All right. Well, welcome back to the channel. At least I don't look like I sell tomatoes anymore. I got my hair cut real quick, you know what I'm saying? So got to talking about Cobra Jet intake temps. That's what we're gonna go over today. So hope you like it. Thanks for tuning in to another video. Subscribe, and I'll plug my barbershop in right there. Clear Choice out here in Powder Springs. Getting your boy right, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? All right, here we go. Car's running. I'm gonna get straight to it. I just came over here, made a little drive, pull over at Chick-fil-A. Go ahead and show you my intake temps as sitting here, 138, 139. It is currently, as per the car, 79 degrees outside. So I'll go ahead and show you my setup with the Cobra Jet. There we go. So, as you can see, I'm not running the bucket. I'm gonna just prop the hood with my head. There we go. I'm not running the heat shield in the back because it did not fit prior. I need to try it again. Before, my motor was sitting a little bit too low. Raise it up a little bit so it should fit now, but this is how it's currently running right now. And you know, nothing down there. I'm gonna go ahead and show intake temps while cruising. I'm gonna get up to speed a little bit, but to bring it up, this is a Gen 2 Bret Barber ported Cobra Jet VMP twin jet 69 with a PMAS cold air. You know, hot air, cold air, whatever you want to call it. It's freaking hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and go and drive down the road real quick, show you what the intake temps are gonna be like, cruising around like 40 and then maybe around 60, and show you how I'm gonna work my way around it. And essentially what I'm gonna do is use this guy. I'll get to that in a second, but let's go for a drive. Whoo! I don't think the coronavirus is anything crazy. It looks like a normal day outside, but looks like the drive-thru at Chick-fil-A is pretty stacked. I mean, it doesn't look any more busier than usual. Anyways, let's get to driving. All right, you can see we're doing about 45, 50 miles an hour or so, and slowly. Oh my God, super zoom, focus. Anyways, about 118, which is not terrible, but you can see here we have finally our first like hot day, or hot, you know, normalish day out here in Atlanta. And I mean, I've seen intake temps as high as 160 just chilling in traffic, or regular traffic, you know, 40, 50 miles an hour on the highway or whatever. And let's get it back up there. Let's get it up to 60. Around the same, but the faster you go, the cooler the air will come in, because the front grille still has an insert for the stock airbox location, so at least you're getting some type of fresh air coming in. 113. 112, 111, so it's slowly going down. I mean, once I get up to about 70 or 80 miles an hour, it'll be around 20 to 30 degrees above ambient, which is, it's okay, but it's not the best. So I'll show you how I'm gonna combat that in a little bit. Just give me 1 second. All right, here we go, back car running. I just pulled over because I want to show you what I'm gonna get done real quick. So 133 sitting. So what I plan to do, hopefully it works, or at least helps out a little bit, is this is the stock airbox, the lower half of it. So what I plan to do, put this guy in. The PMAS air filter is going to go over it. Now I may have to cut here and here to you know, alleviate or make room for the filter if it doesn't fit, but at least that'll help it out and get some of this ram air that's coming in from the front of the grill to bring in some cold air as you're driving. Now I can't do anything about with it sitting and just baking its life away. Actually, right now it's not that bad, about 132. So there's that. But yeah, I plan to make that work. So I'm gonna get this guy in there, the PMAS heat shield, which I just need to put on. Really, haven't had the really need to because I haven't really done anything with the car other than hooning around town and make videos and do all that good stuff. So I'll go ahead and show you up front that right here, this port access hole or whatever is what the stock airbox essentially is going to feed itself into. So hopefully it works, and give you a little walk around of everything too. The Corsa Sport's are real chill and tame. Then when you get in it, it's pretty loud. So that's pretty much it. When I get done to it, when I get the parts to it, I'll put it on, do another test and see how it goes. Hopefully I can get that done soon, in the next week or so. But let's see if we can do some live Zoom test. See what we got going on, because I'm gonna get my hair cut at Clear Choice. Where is it? Which one is it? Is it that one or is it that one? Hair salon, hair and beauty. I think it's the one where that tree's blocking it. It's going. Man, this is 20 times Zoom and it does pretty okay. Yeah, I think it's the one. Yeah, it is the one with the tree blocking it. Come on, autofocus. Mother. Yeah, because I can see it. So, boom. Make an update and get back to it when I get back to it. Alright. There we go. Been driving for a little bit. It's about 70 outside. And you can see, focus motherfucker. The intake temps are at about 93. I slowed down a little bit right now and there's a car in front of me, so that will have an effect. But that just goes to show you how sensitive this setup is to the ambient air. Earlier when I was when there was no cars around, it was chilling right at about 88. But you can see right here, like if I wanted to do a 60 roll, I mean those are the intake temps that I'm gonna start with. 50 miles, shut up! Don't tell me how to live my life. So there's that. This is all prior to me doing any of the work. So when I put the stock airbox, or at least the lower half of the airbox in there, and heat shield, I'm gonna do a comparison and see how they do right now. So yeah, right now they're chilling. See if I go a little faster. Yeah, and then they start to go down. Alright, so as you can see, I kind of Swiss cheesed it and cut at a little bit of an angle, and it should work. So oh geez, let's go ahead and put this there we go, because I still got the stock, the factory grommet up there for that. Then let me show you where to go. No editing, straight to it. You can see the factory airbox that I had. I still left this part of it in there, and a little bit on the bottom for it to have a home to go. But you can see roughly that's about and then I'm got a bolt that I'm gonna put in there. That's how it's gonna sit. So I got a little bit better of a heat shield back here. I need to put a bung here to go ahead and just cover it up. I don't even really think it's gonna make that big of a difference. But with this guy that's gonna go on here, it fits, it clears, it doesn't hit anything. We'll be back in business. It's raining right now, so when it gets a little bit hotter and humid outside, I'm gonna do another intake temp test and see if that helps out a little bit more. Also, I'm going to put some Roush. Well, not that it makes a difference, because all you have is this one vent here. So if you put more vents here, it's not really gonna make any big of a difference other than aesthetics. So, but yeah, that's essentially how it looks. The PMAS one goes here. I'm pretty sure it does fit, but I bought this kit for my friend and I didn't pick the shield up. So this essentially will do its job. It'll work a little bit, and hopefully it works out and I don't have to fuss with it, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, everything's all together, and I did forget to put this catch can on there, but it fits. Hoses are a little tight, but no crazy tension here, no crazy tension here. I still have to get the UPR one for this side, the one that goes under this guy. But that's it. Took about 30 minutes or so of just work. I mean, I'd rather do this than, you know, watch a bunch of racing videos all day. You know, actually get something done on my race car, kind of. So that's it. Get ready to do a test. Alright, so it's 57 outside. Oh god. It's 57. And I'm seeing 67, 66. So it's working a little bit. It's a little cooler out today, but you know, usually I'm seeing about 20 to 25 above ambient, and right here I'm only seeing just above 10. So if it warms up a little bit, I'm gonna get another video. Alright, there is a damn demon in my rear view. I thought it was a scat pack. There you go, right there. Maybe you can see it, maybe you can't. I was like, oh, we gonna run, but I was like, nah, that ain't gonna happen, not today. So we got about 72 on the ambient air temps, or ambient temp. Oh shit. I guess I don't want to do a flyby. Whatever. Alright, 71 outside. It's pretty hot. And going, I'm at about 104 on intake, 102, and dropping down. 99, 98. Uh-oh. I think we may have some something going. I just got on the highway, so 96, 95. So it looks like it's working a little better. Don't fucking cut me off. So 93, still going down. 92, and then I can't do anything with it, you know, baking itself, because 125, it was about 130 open, so can't really do anything like that with the car sitting here, but it is way better than what it was. So hopefully, you know, this doesn't let me see 160 air intake temps when it's like 100 outside. So a little better of a stock, or a little better than what I had before on it, which was nothing. So there it is. More videos to come. I'll catch y'all later.